Hello everyone, welcome to Favors Flavors Kitchen. It is festive season and a lot of us are confused on what to prepare during this Christmas period. So if you're tired of your regular dishes that you normally have and you want a change during this Christmas period, I'm going to show you guys one recipe I think you all are going to love. So without taking too much of your time, let's dive into it. You might have seen a lot of potato recipe, but this recipe I'm about to give to you guys, it will blow your mind, seriously. If you try these dishes, you're going to be making it every week in your own. So what do we need to use to make this recipe? Firstly, you need your potato. I've already peeled my potato, nicely peeled and washed already. If you're looking for the best potato to use, get the Maris Piper potato. It tastes like yam. It is very, very delicious. And one of my secret recipe on this potato combo is mixing it with our Nigerian sweet potato. Seriously, by the time you put this into the potato mixed together, you will bite your fingers. Seriously. In a small pieces. So by the time you're done dicing, this is what it's going to look like. If you like it bigger, you can dice it bigger, but I actually like my potato, my Irish potato to look like this. If you're not a fan of the Nigerian sweet potato, please skip it. But I bet you if you add this to it, you're going to love your meal. By the time you're done dicing your potatoes, this is what it's going to look like. So this is the mixed sweet potatoes and the Irish potatoes all together. This is what it's going to look like. I'll add some salt. Then I'm going to drain it like this. So I have some beef and chicken in here. I'm going to add them into the potato. And I have some kidney right here. I'll add them as well. I'm going to add some more salt. And then I'm going to mix together. Make sure before mixing together, make sure your hands are properly washed. You can also flip it. These are what we're going to blend into the potatoes. And then we have some onions, white onions, red onions. We have some ginger, we have some garlic, and then hot pepper. This is nicely blended, and I'm going to put it here because there is spice on it. I cannot use my bare hands to like mix it up, so I'm going to be using the gloves. I'm going to add some seasoning. I'll add some paprikas. I'll add some mixed herbs. Just a little. And I'll be adding some extra virgin olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice anyways, but this is the oil I normally use. And now that we have everything in, I'm going to mix together. Now that I'm done mixing it, I'm going to pass it to the oval tray. It is quite a lot, so I'll be using this big tray. Nicely, nicely. You're going to add some thyme. Wrap the tray with a tin foil. So my oven has been preheated, so I'm going to take this into the oven. It has been in the oven for 25 minutes, so I'm just gonna. Oh, this looks so delicious. Now we're going to add our vegetables. The reason why I didn't actually put it at first is because I don't want the vegetable to be too soggy. Yeah, so it depends on your preference. If you'd like your vegetable very, very soggy, then you can put it from the beginning. It depends on what you want. But now we're just going to introduce the vegetable and let me wrap it one more time. Whoa, this looks so good. Ooh. Mm. It is very good. I'm just going to flip it around a little bit and then put it right back into the oven. So we're going to leave it in the oven for another 10 minutes and then our potato mix is ready. The moment of truth. It's been 10 minutes in the oven. Let's take it out and see what our potato mix look like. So this is what our potato mix look like. It looks so delicious, seriously, and it's very, very tasty. And one other thing I love about this is that you can actually spice it the way you want, and this is very spicy. I'm not joking. And the meat, oh my god. You see, just take a look at what the potato look like. It looks so good. Mm. Mm. This tastes so good. Mm. Let's try the meat. Oh. Mm. This is very, very delicious. All the spice, the sauce went into the meat very, very well. Try yours and tag me and let me know what you think about this recipe. It's very delicious. If you've watched this extent and you think, wait a minute, I like this recipe, then you should be hitting on the follow button and press on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Would you be trying it? Does it look delicious to you? Or it tastes very, very delicious anyways? Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.